Yes, I'm fine. And what about you? How was the day?
Mine was good, ma'am. Okay,
Okay.
I am good, ma'am, and I have completed my household chore activity. Then I now I am free.
Yes, same here.
Same here.
Most of time we are, free at afternoon.
Okay, ma'am.
That's
So
why we are here. So, okay. First of all, we introduce ourselves. Okay, so we know
okay,
better.
ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. My name is Jyoti Patel. I am from MP. If I talk about my educational qualification, so I have completed my graduation. Then I have completed my BA degree, and just I have qualified center teachers eligibility test. These days I am preparing government job in teaching line, and I am learning language also.
Came back from school. Yeah, this time for came back from school.
Yes,
Even
ma'am.
my son also is going time. Now he is on the way. So now it's just after 50 to 20 minutes he will be at home.
So
Yes.
ma'am, if you don't mind, so ma'am, can I ask question? How many children do you have?
Yes, I have two children, one boy and one girl.
Okay,
And
ma'am.
boy is now 10 years old, and my daughter is now small, 1.5 or 1.5 now.
Okay. Okay.
So, so tell me something your hobbies and why are you learn this language?
Ma'am, I am learning this language because I am preparing government job. I have done my BA degree. I have
Mm-hmm.
got the center teachers eligibility test. So, ma'am, need I have given two and three interview, but they got rejected
Okay.
because of English. So that's
Yes.
why I am here, ma'am. I started my journey 1 month ago.
Okay. Yeah. In 1 month, we are overcome our fear and confidence, but still after 2 to 3 months we are able to speak like anybody, and with whom we are fluent.
Yes.
Just we are trying. So it depends upon how much we are able to speak.
My
Yes.
second conversation, ma'am. I am having second conversation with you.
Okay, it's your second conversation.
With you, yes, ma'am.
Okay, so your first conversation with whom you do had.
Yes, first conversation with wonderful teacher Neha Rana, ma'am, Himachal. I,
Okay, yeah, yeah, she's nice. Yeah, I watch her so many videos, but even I didn't connect with her because yeah, sometimes time issues. We are facing time issues lots of time.
because of being mother, so I am homemaker, so I
Yeah,
understand, ma'am. Because
even in this month I just do not connect a lots of people because some issues like around the corner all many festival, and our kids exam also are around the corner, so we are to prepare him or her also, because this is our responsibility. And yeah, sometimes we have a child like a small, so we are facing lots of issue with the handling and also manage your own work, your happiness. So
yes,
sometimes
ma'am.
we are, very, helpless, what we should do. We want to do something, but our responsibility is big. So we are in a restless that time.
Yes, ma'am. So I am practicing, ma'am, 1 month ago, day by day, front of mirror, front of camera. But I am not unable to see my result. So that's why I thought we will connect different people. So maybe I will improve my communication skill. So that's why I
Yes,
am
of
here.
course. Yeah, yeah. If you are connect regularly with the like 2 months or 3 months, that after that you connect within once a week or no matter, because you build your confidence and you have that capacity to speak anybody, like a very confident. If you don't know something words, lack of words, no matter, but you are just trying to speak because you have lots of practice. So even we have skipped some days, nobody, but we are just speaking all time. Sometimes we are not speaking with ourselves also, not enough, because we are just lack of build confidence. So that's why it's the reason. But yeah, when you have some of around your partner, if you have, so yeah, you overcome all this problem. Otherwise not, because
So
in earlier I'm also that facing lots of issue with the like speaking, because yeah, I have a confidence that time, but yeah, lack of words and word formation I am facing in that. So
it,
yeah, I trying lot making as well as I'm. It's my opinion. We want to read something daily, because reading is very helpful for our conversation. If you want to speak to anybody, that time you want to speak, but in mind you have no any idea what to ask some question to or in front of people, how to talk, like how we are making conversation or sentence. So we, for that we want to, I think, something, read something before that, because without reading we have not idea about the words, how we join, how we connect,
yes.
before that. Yes, reading is also important if you want to improve your communication.
So, ma'am, how long did you take learn this language?
Yes, now it's completed 5 months. But last from 1 month, I'm not consistent with my video call conversation, because yeah, sometimes I already told you have an issue. But my reading and watching YouTube content is ongoing. And apart from, I'm talking with my son every time. And yeah, always if I get chance, sometimes I use audio call also, like a 10 minutes, not more than, but I just connect for 10 minutes every day, because yeah, in our day we are just using our native language. So sometimes we are just speak some days, so we are forgetting some words. So for that
Yes,
you want to connect at least 10 minutes. If you are able to speak but you have not idea about the words, just you connect 10 minutes, and you just asking some about your daily routine and what you do. Just come to point, like you want to discuss like a 10 minute any topic, whatever you do you want to, just
yes,
speak
ma'am.
with the topic. Because when we talk some about the topics, that time our mind here thinking some different words, different idea, and then
Yes,
for
ma'am.
that we are searching that word on in our mind. Sometimes we are not incomes what we say in English, what we know in Hindi, in our native language. Sometimes we are struggling in the English, so that time we are search after that. So after that we search, so then we can't forget that word again, you know
So, ma'am, what is your native language?
my native language is Hindi, but I know Marathi also, because yeah, I'm living in Maharashtra, so here around us all people are using Marathi language. In
So,
my home we
you
are
are
using.
the medium
Yes,
from.
yes, I'm from Hindi media. You can say both Hindi and Marathi medium, mix match my all subject.
I have also done my Hindi medium.
Yes, also 1 to 10th, I have two subject in Hindi and law, and apart from all are in Marathi and some in English. So yeah, mixed match you can say, because now semi English are available, no, that's why.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
we are who are not able to take education in CBSE patterns, so they are go for CBSE school, because yeah, they are not any expensive school. That's why.
Yes. Okay, ma'am.
So, in these days, only you making conversation, or apart from you doing anything all for
No,
your.
ma'am. Created
Mhm.
my channel only 1 days ago.
Okay, 1 day ago. That's good.
I am new
Yes.
here, ma'am. I am new here. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that's great. Yeah. Yeah. Don't worry. Within 1 month, you can see lots of changes in your, because uh, with the you are daily talking like 1.5 hour with a video call. After 1 month, you lots of changes you have suddenly changes, but you didn't know what changes you are occurring you into that because sometimes you in front of people using a new words, we are just listening. And after that we are using same words with the another person, so that's that method is very useful for us.
But ma'am, your English is very good.
Yeah, because of practice, because yeah, I work hardly 4 months is very consistent, but last from 1 month I'm not doing anything because yeah, now my sons has school.
Everything
Yes.
you have skills, kids, and you have lots of work. If you, how do you manage everything?
Yes, yeah, even I in these days when I started my this language, I woke up early in the morning, like 5 to 5:30, and I completed my all houses till the 10 p.m. And then I rush to on my what we search, what you read. Then after that, yeah, around our children, you do all thing like reading and listening with the headphones. Yeah, like this, you're doing this. But in your mind, I think you are said something, na? So no can stop you to do something. But before that, your goal you want to be set before that.
Yes, ma'am. Most importance, ma'am, goal, dedication. If you are doing hard work,
Yes.
so
Even
depend.
sometimes we feel very positive because we have lots of work in household chores. Our kids are your husband's responsibility, or suppose you have lots of some guests are came. So yeah, in between you are very positive. Sometimes you say that no, I want to do not do something. I am okay with. But sometimes at the night we are just thinking that a whole day what you do anything special for you. That time I think that I'm nothing. I'm not doing nothing for me. So that time I decided no, at least 10 to 50 minutes for me, I will be manage anything, whatever I manage for me. So it will be okay. Even if we all a whole day we are not connecting with the anybody, so at night at least I try to on audio call who is available. I try to talk at least 10 minutes at evening or any night who is available.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So anything you want to ask?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so we connect again. Okay, now is we really wind
I
up
would
this
like
call.
to say, ma'am, thank you because you have given me this golden opportunity. You have given me your precious time. So it's
Yes,
my
of course, same here. It's my pleasure also. I'm very
so
happy to connect with you because last from 5 days I'm not connecting with the any ladies. Now after 5